Direction, 2 touches, receive and pass, make, stop that. Faster, 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 meet ball. Let's move. Faster, faster, talk. Hey, leo ni mbaya. Otibungoma na Abbas. Mesema hata game ipigwe hivyo. Let's talk.
Ask me about the Vihiga being one of the best team in Kenya that participated in the international, but on our side, we are not going with history. We may be like underdogs, but there is no underdog in Premier League. So, to be honest and towards my minds and behind the gist I have here, we are going for a win. We are not just going to participate, we are going to compete and we want to win that trophy. And this one goes to the federation. I want to appreciate them to look for sponsor who have been there for us and is doing something good because at least at the end of the game, players are getting something. So it's not just like maybe playing as a tournament. It is a league and for us it's serious. We want to write history in Kenya. I just want to tell them, let them come in numbers because they have been there for us. They have been pushing us and this is the time they have to enjoy. So please, I call up the fans, not only Bungoma as the area, but this is about Western Derby because it is beautiful to play at the derby and we are playing it at home.
Tumejipanga kwa shirikisho ambalo liko mbele yetu ambalo ni baina yetu na Vihiga Queens. Hii wiki morali imekuwa juu, wachezaji tuko juu, yani training hakuna mtu analalisha. Tunakuja in numbers, in good numbers. So sisi tuko ready kwa face na kwa mafans wetu sisi tuna promise win. Ara kuna wale wanasema mwisho wetu ni hapo, lakini sisi mwisho wetu ni finali na tunabeba finali.
Naona morali yetu iko juu. Pia vile tumeona kocha wetu. Unajua siku njema huanzanga asubuhi. Vihiga Queens washacheza international na hiyo sisi international unajua inakuanga tu ni jina. But sasa ndio sisi. Unaona? Sasa hatueni na jina. Sasa tunaenda na current vile tuko sasa. So we want to break that record kutoka kwao na ikuje kwetu.